So ladies and gentlemen, there you go. We have the products of Innisfree. This brand is all the way from Korea, promising you natural products that definitely help you boost your skin to give you more natural, beautiful skin.
I've got dry skin. So what's nice about it, it's soft, especially in a sticky place like Bombay, you need something soft on your skin at the same time stay hydrated. So that's something which is easy to use, and I think it's one of the best sellers that they have. So that's the first thing that came to me, and it's fantastic. Must have.
Now all girls have this problem. We have so many products. We take them all home and we have like a pile of them with us, you know. So what makes Innisfree different for you as a user? Because I have the same thing. I have this really nice, Innisfree selection.
100% natural. And in today's time, everything that you're getting is so loaded with so many chemicals, and they're very harsh in the long run. So what you need to use is something that's going to preserve your skin. It's about long-term usage. I always believe that's my basic mantra in life, that anything that you do, it shouldn't be like just for the moment. It should have long-term effects. And I think that's what's great about Innisfree.
Shows on your skin, absolutely. So my team had an Innisfree beauty workshop, and we had it at the headquarters, and they couldn't stop raving about how fresh they felt because they did this 10-step morning ritual. Now, what are the benefits?
I've not done it.
But you must know, what are the benefits of doing these rituals?
You have to invest in your skin. You can't take things for granted. So you have to give it the best and give it things, as I said, that will look after it rather than damage it and make it just look good for the moment. So yes, morning rituals are a must, especially the business that we are a part of. We are in front of camera, lights all the time, harsh environment at times. So you need to look after yourself more.
Now you have, as a celebrity,
keep your skin moisturized well, and just put a gloss and sunglasses and you're ready. Yeah, you can tie a pony if you have a bad hair day.
That's the trick. And a fashion tip that's never failed you.
Just keep it simple. Anything simple is nice. Jeans, when in doubt, wear jeans and tee, or a jeans and white shirt. Just simple, basic, and it always works.
Now you're always looking super fit, and you're really about fitness as well. What do you snack on when you're hungry?
I snack on everything.
No, really?
Well, I've just come from Barcelona, and I just ate a lot of cheese, and yes, meat and seafood, and yeah, I eat a lot. I'm a total foodie, but I do work out too. But still, I just got married, so I'm still in my honeymoon phase. I've been traveling a lot and eating a lot. Yeah, but fitness is a must for me, and I definitely will get back into the shape that I want to in the next coming month.
You look amazing. Okay, so now you have...
At the time I was just laughing and I was having such a blast that, I'm so heavy, I'm wearing a 25 kg ghagra and people have to carry me. But, all that while, Karan was so intense and he had tears in his eyes, and that's a tradition called Shubha Drishti. We have to look at each other after a day. And we have really been together all the time in the last 2.5 years. And this was one day of separation, and then we finally got to see each other. It was very cute.
And does he have, how does he save your name in his phone?
Oh, Monkey.
Monkey! I love you have this whole monkey thing.
Yeah,
How did
he
that
calls
start?
him Monkey and I call him Monkey. Yeah, both have saved it as Monkey.
I love it. Okay, so we thought we'd play a little game with you. It's going to be really quick. Okay, so we're going to give you some iconic characters from Bollywood movies, and you have to choose
I'll fail.
one or the other. No, you don't have to answer any question. You have to pick your favorites, okay? So your favorite chocolate bar hero, is it Raj from DDLJ or Prem from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun?
Very confusing. Prem has to be because we saw Maine Pyar Kiya growing up like a zillion times.
And your favorite on-screen fashionista, is it Aisha from Aisha or Shania from Student of the Year?
Shania is too young and a little kid, so it can't be my fashion icon. And they're both very cute, but I need somebody a little more mature.
Alright, your favorite bad boy, Crime Master Gogo from Andaz Apna Apna or Mogambo from Mr. India?
Crime Master Gogo. I love it.
Aankhein nikal ke godiya khelunga. Okay, your favorite Punjabi Kuri, is it Geet from Jab We Met or Anjali from K3G?
Geet.
Alright, and your favorite student, Major Ram from Mehuna or Munna Bhai from Munna Bhai MBBS?
Munna Bhai, hands down.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
so great chatting with you.
Thank you.
And thank you for being here today. A last message that you'd like to give everyone?
Well, keep loving me, keep supporting me. I love you guys. Mwah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
all of you.
Thank you, girls. The hampers will be couriered to all three of you all. Congratulations for winning this contest. And now also we have some hampers going out. So we will request. Thank you, girls. Can we have you off stage? Come. Thank you. Can we get the industry team quickly on stage for a picture? Industry team, can we get the entire team on stage for a picture? With
और एक पकड़
आपने कहा हनीमून पे थे हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मेल्टेड एंड ऑल क्या मजा है क्या क्या आपने फन किया
राइट लेफ्ट कर रहे हैं
ओके
माइक सारे
ठीक
या
यस मैम सो अब अपनी वेकेशन के बारे में बताइए क्या मजा कैसा मतलब क्या फन रहा क्या क्या किया आपने व्हाट्स द वाइल्डेस्ट एडवेंचर अबाउट इट ऑफ
I think I love holidays and every holiday is special, and this time we were in Spain, which is a beautiful country, Madrid and Barcelona. Beautiful countries must visit. I would seriously endorse आप लोग नहीं गए हैं तो जाइए स्पेन में बहुत मज़ा आएगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा क्रेजीएस्ट थिंग आपने वहाँ पे क्या किया था आप दोनों ने मिलके
क्रेजी ऐसे तो कोई क्रेजी चीज़ नहीं है हम लोग I think we walk for every day we walk like 10-12 hours a day. It was like hectic. So बहुत चले हम लोग to basically explore the city, and that was beautiful. You know, we ate very local food, interacted with the local people, and just saw the city. It's just wonderful.
Okay.
विपाशा आप हमेशा से वुमेन को सपोर्ट करते हैं, यू स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन. इसीलिए सलमान का जो स्टेटमेंट आया
No
था.
comments on that, please. Any other question?
Okay, ma'am, recently Kareena and Saif, they have confirmed they are soon to be parents.
Yeah, I'm very happy for Kareena and Saif. Yeah. And that their family is now becoming bigger.
Okay, so post marriage आप मतलब स्किन केयर के लिए बात करें तो let's talk about skin care. तो post marriage आपने कुछ अपने आप में कोई तब्दीलियाँ नहीं just to take care of your skin and to make more fresh.
Why?
आप
Why marriage stresses you or what? Are you married?
No, that's
Marriage is not stressful if you're married to the right person. So it's just you don't have to do anything extra.
My question is to you. You've been in Spain and all. As a football playing country, you've been a Bengali. So what any clubs you have visited and had you enjoyed?
Well, I'm a big football fan, but my husband is not. So we decided that okay, I'm gonna go easy on my little sporting Bengali side, and you know we rather do the simple things. So I couldn't visit any football club.
Vipasha, when do we see you in Bollywood films too?
Very soon.
And also, what did Karan give to you in cosmetics and all? Anything?
No, he didn't give me any cosmetics. He thinks I don't need any cosmetics.
But did you give any tips to him for his this?
For?
Do you give tips to him
For what?
looking more handsome?
No, I don't have to.
If you want to give someone out of these cosmetics, whom would you like to give?
I'll give my mother and my sisters. They're really beautiful products. I think every woman should invest in their skin, and it's really good. It's all natural. It's going to be very good for everyone's skin.
Because it's too early to talk about it, but still parenthood की अगर बात करें, what's your plan for
पसीना आ रहा है
parenthood?
parenthood के बारे में सोच रही हूँ.
Still, ma'am, still any comment on that? Any
Very
comment?
tough.
Very tough.
Still time. Yeah. Thank you guys. Take care.